Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll just be showing you guys of a shrimp vegetable kind of type of meal I'll be making. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So right here, as you can see, this is all the ingredients and things that I'll be using in my video, including soy sauce. So yeah. So first off, you want to start off with a saucepan or any pan that you are comfortable with, and drizzle some olive oil or whatever oil that you use on high heat. Now at this time, I'll be adding my mixed vegetables. As you can see, I'm using bell peppers, all the colors of bell peppers, and onions. Go ahead at this time and start mixing in your vegetables. Let them get a nice golden brown color, certain close to burnt. Now if you're allergic to any of these vegetables, you don't have to use any of these. You could go ahead and substitute it for anything else that you would like. Now here, all I'm just doing is mixing, just stirring it all around. Now I did add in just a little bit of more olive oil because my vegetables was looking kind of dry, but all we just doing is just mixing. Now at this time, I'm going to go ahead and remove my vegetables from the heat. I didn't want them to be too cooked down, but soft enough, but still crunchy when I'm eating them. So yeah, I'll just put these in on the side and mix them in later with our shrimp. Now using the same pan with the same oil, I'll go ahead and add in my green peas or string beans or whatever you call them, but this is my first time cooking with them, and knowing that I'm on a healthy journey, I would just wanted a lot of vegetables. So right here, I'm just stirring them around, making sure each of them are evenly cooked and each of them getting some of that leftover olive oil, and just cooking these for about, I'll say, 5 minutes or so. You want them soft but not too soft. So I just let them cook for about 3 to about 4 minutes or so. So now as you can see, I'm going to add some butter into the pan. This is exactly how you want your string beans or whatever you call it to look. Not too hard, not too soft, but it should look exactly like this, or somewhat. A way that I check if my string beans are well done is that I bend them in the pan, as you can see, and if it doesn't automatically snaps, then that means it is well done. But if it snaps once you do that, then yeah, that means it needs to be cooked for a little bit. At this time, my string beans are thoroughly cooked, so I'll go ahead and put them in the side as well for later. So here in this pot, all I just added was a little bit of salt and some olive oil. And as you guys can see, I'm adding my broccoli. Yes, I know, more vegetables. If you're a vegetable head, this video is for you. So just like I said, I'm on this weight loss journey, so more vegetables. So I'm only gonna make my broccoli cook for only about 3 minutes, no longer than 3 minutes, because my stove gets very hot. So that's all it needs, 3 minutes. So I cleaned out my pan that I cooked my vegetables in. And this is the pan we'll be using to cook the shrimp. So right now I am adding some butter. I got my heat or my stove on high heat. Yes, look at them bad boys. It's like I can already smell it through here. Yes. Go ahead at this time and add in your shrimp. I had got my shrimp from Veggie's, if you guys wanted to know. These shrimps came with shells on. So yes, I went ahead and took out the shells, and also I cleaned them. When I cleaned them, I don't use my cleaning method as what I use for my chicken. So all I just did was rinse them. Now it's time to season these bad boys up. I'm first going off with Slap Your Mama. Next will be go ahead and use some ground black pepper. You can never go wrong with using adobo when seasoning seafood. To give it some more flavor, we'll go ahead with my total seasoning. Lastly, we'll go ahead and use some parsley just to give it some color. Now my favorite part. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Hey. Once after mixing, I had let it cook for a little 3 minutes. Now what I'm about to add is some soy sauce, just probably like 2 spoonfuls. That's it. Now after I let it cook for additional 2 more minutes, now we about to make a sauce to thicken it up. What I'm going in is using 1,000 Island. Yes, I said it, 1,000 Island dressing. Now I'm going to use some mayo. I know you guys like what? Yes, mayo. Last, to give our sauce, our thickened sauce I should say, to give it flavor, what I have in this red cup is some vinegar. Now you can use as much vinegar as you want, but this is as much as I'm using. Now I decided that I wanted to add some sesame seed. Remember, if you are allergic to any of these, do not use them. Now at this time, I will go ahead and add in all the vegetables that we had cooked prior before this. Now this meal is practically done. At this time, if there's anything else that you want to go ahead and add, you may go ahead. As you can see, I'm adding more 1,000 Island dressing. I'll be adding more mayo and also vinegar, just to give it a little bit more thickened to my liking. Now your meal is basically finished. Bon appetit!